The trial of poverty. In a small, dusty village lived a boy named Ahmed. His life was a symphony of struggle. As the sole breadwinner, he ran a tiny, dilapidated mobile repair shack. Despite the scorching heat and lack of proper tools, he worked tirelessly to provide for his elderly mother and younger brother. He had little money, but his hands possessed a rare craft. The life-changing challenge. One sweltering afternoon, a wealthy businessman passing through the village experienced a technical glitch with his iPhone's SIM tray, a problem city experts had failed to fix. Intrigued by Ahmed's focus, the man proposed a challenge: fix this in a week, and not only will this phone be yours, but I will also help you escape this poverty. Ahmed worked through the nights by candlelight, pouring his soul into the tiny circuits. On the sixth day, the phone sparked to life. True to his word, the businessman gifted him the iPhone and funded a modern repair center for him in the city. A hidden talent unveiled months later, a famous singer visited Ahmed's new shop. While working, Ahmed was softly humming a folk tune. Struck by the raw emotion in his voice, the singer encouraged him to record a video. Ahmed was hesitant, knowing nothing of technology or social media. The singer mentored him and gifted him a professional camera. When Ahmed finally uploaded his first song, the internet exploded. Within days, he had millions of views. Stardom and fulfillment. The viral success caught the attention of a legendary music mogul. Ahmed was signed for a major record deal, and his debut song became a global hit. The boy who once struggled to buy flour for his home was now a superstar, owning a grand mansion and luxury cars. Yet, amidst the fame, he remained the same humble boy who believed in the power of prayer and hard work. Moral: hard work, when combined with talent and sincerity, creates miracles. Success is not